I'm trying to get away from the pain of people that are in my way. Yeah, yeah. I'm trying to find my way out to places where I've been. People always thinking of this man. I've got to say to you, man, just leave me alone. Please don't call me. Please don't call me on my phone. I don't wanna know no more. I'm closing that door. I've got to let you go. Even when I'm close, I still breathe. Even when I'm in, there's no saving. It's been a while since I felt like I'm saving something. Watch it. Show my son. Even when I'm close, I still breathe. Cool, man. Can't escape myself. Can't escape this hell. I've got to walk away now. Sometimes, some places, always somehow. Yeah. I said I've got to walk away now. Oh, leave me alone. Please, 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 leave me alone. Yeah. Don't know why you hurt me so. I've let you go, and I'm just saying no, no. I've said to you once before, leave me alone, don't knock on my door. I swear I told you time and time again, leave me alone, you're not my friend. Yeah.